This is Super Yacht News with eSysman. No one responded to distress call for hours. In the aftermath of the fire and sinking of super yacht Lady MM, stories in the media of the crew and guests being rescued by Italian Coast Guard are being refuted by the crew in statements made to the media in the last 48 hours. Most of the crew were from Croatia, and they have made statements to Croatian media about the events, and it seems there was a lack of response from the Italian Coast Guard. The crew told their story. At 0500 hours, the second engineer, Shima Jureshko, was on watch with machine manager Zdenko Petric, also first officer Damir Fafangel. They received an engine alarm and proceeded to the engine room to investigate. They discovered the pipe from the oil drain to the main engine had burst, probably due to the high pressure of 4 to 5 bar. Water soaked the entire engine room in a second, probably due to the high fog fire suppression system activating. They turned off the engine. The engineers used fire extinguishers but failed to put them out, so the engine room's CO2 system fire suppression was activated. Captain Ante Peric mustered the crew and guests, presumably at their muster station. At this point, he sent his first distress call at approximately 0600 hours. There were 3 distress calls for help over the radio. However, no one responded for hours. Then the generator shut down, so the power failed. The captain decided to abandon ship, and they left the vessel in the tender. As they still had not been rescued by search and rescue, they headed for shore in the small craft. After 6 hours, they finally reached the mainland in this small vessel with 16 people inside, and they landed in the port of La Caleta in Sardinia. There was a total of 5 men, 4 from Zadar and 1 from Rijeka in Croatia, and the crew also included 3 women from Latvia, Finland and South Africa. The guests were a family from Kazakhstan with 3 small children. The captain added, "In Croatia, when someone needs help, we immediately go to help, and Italy, which is well equipped and much larger than Croatia, allows something like this." The 35-year-old captain was disappointed. "I can't believe that Italy, which has all the equipment and everything, that no one came. Well, we weren't in the middle of the Atlantic. I don't understand," the captain concluded. If you have any more information, please be sure to get in touch. Let me know in the comments. And please be sure to subscribe for updates on this story and others.